Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit 6. Okay dear students, let's see the board first. This is the class for the students of class 5, subject English. Our today's topic is Unit 6, lesson 4 to 7, term half yearly, lecture number 7. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 7 and this is your HW number 3. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, this is my name. Mobile 01735852285. Okay, let's start today's discussion. Unit 6, the title of this unit is Eat Healthy. That means the title shows that we have to eat healthy foods. Dear students, you can see there is a picture at the bottom of this page. This is a pyramid shaped picture, and this pyramid is divided into 4 parts, and in every part there are different kinds of foods. Now we will discuss which foods we should take to live healthy, and the foods we take in our day-to-day life, what are the portions from each of the food groups we should take. Let's start the discussion. What food is good food? Sometimes the food we like to eat isn't the healthiest food for us. The food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups, and it tells us how much of each food group we should eat. Look at the picture of the food pyramid. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. That means the foods that are shown at the bottom of this pyramid should be taken in large numbers. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. What foods do you see at the bottom? These are things made from grain. For example, rice, rice, roti and bread. Potatoes are not grains, but they are similar. Grains give us energy. This line is very important. Grains give us energy. Fruit and vegetables are in the next level of the pyramid. So you can see that in the second level, you can see fruits, different kinds of fruits, watermelon, banana, apple, grapes, and at the side by side you can see different kinds of vegetables. So fruits and vegetables are in the next level of the pyramid. These are also very important for us. They have vitamins. They help our eyes and our health. So we have learned that fruits and vegetables help our eyes and our health. On the next level, there are fish, meat, dairy products, beans and lentils. Meat, fish and chicken have protein. Beans and lentils do too. That means meat, fish, chicken, bean and lentils all are the sources of protein. So we will underline this sentence. Now, dairy products are the things like milk and eggs. They help our teeth and bones. Protein and dairy make us strong. So these 2 lines are also important. Protein, dairy products like milk and eggs help our teeth and bones, and protein and dairy make us strong. At the top of the pyramid, you can see this portion is little in consideration to the other portions. fat and well are at the top of the food pyramid. These make food delicious, but our body does not need very much of them. So we should not take oil and fat in a large or in a huge quantity. Okay. Sometimes we cannot get food from all the different food groups, but when we have choices about food, we need to make good choices. So dear students, from the discussion of this unit, we have learned that when we get choices, we will select good foods, and all the foods are not equally important for our body. Some are less important and some are more important. We need food from all groups, but not in the same quantity. Okay. So you will, I think, from today, after learning this food pyramid, you will follow in your daily diet, and you will follow the food groups which are shown in the food pyramid. Okay. Now we will solve some questions, some true false from this chapter. At page number 25, there are 6 true false questions. We have to find out which one is true and which one is false. If the statement is true, then we will write true, and if the statement is false, we will find out it and then we will write down false. Okay. The first sentence is, there are 4 levels in the food pyramid. So dear students, from the picture you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 levels in the food pyramid. So this is true. The next question is, the bottom level of the pyramid has food from protein and dairy. You can see we have underlined the bottom level of the pyramid. You can see also in the picture that these are the foods from grains. So this statement is false. Foods made of grain give us energy. Okay, we have underlined here, grains give us energy. So this sentence is true. Number 4, eggs help our eyes. Dear students, we have underlined here that eggs help our they help our teeth and bones. That means dairy products like milk and eggs help our eye, teeth and bones. So egg helps our eyes. This statement is false. Number 5, milk helps us to make us strong. This statement is true. We have already underlined here that protein and dairy make us strong. And number 6, our bodies need a lot of fat and oil. We have learned that the oil and fat are at the top of the pyramid, and we can see that these food products are not so much important like other portion of the pyramid. So this is false. Our bodies do not need a lot of fat and oil. So dear students, these true false questions are your homework. Look here, HW number 3, homework, exercise G. This is your exercise number G. So my dear students, I hope that all of you have understood today's topic very well. You have, if you have further questions or any inquiries, you can contact me through my mobile number 01735 852285, and For your better understanding, you must read your textbook again. Take care of yourself, watch your YouTube classes and attend your online classes regularly. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.